Looking for pieces, handbags and wallets for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, by Bits and Pieces. One of the most popular choices for this Christmas and holiday season gift guide. Number 2, by Pieces. Click the link below now. Add your favorite directly to your cart, get real-time prices. Number 3, by Bits and Pieces. Another great choice in our gift idea list for 2018. Tap the link below for more details and gift ideas. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.